Learn about the Indian government's FAME scheme that offers incentives and subsidies to make EV ownership more accessible and cost-effective in India. Discover the benefits of owning an electric vehicle, such as reduced maintenance costs, being environment-friendly, and having improved battery technology for everyday use. Witness the rising popularity of EVs in India, the growing market, and the upcoming developments in model availability and infrastructure. Explore the concerns about owning an electric vehicle, such as battery degradation over time and potential costs, as well as the currently limited model options available in India. Consider the long-term benefits of EV ownership, such as lower operating costs, reduced maintenance, and fuel savings, leading to a lower total cost of ownership.
Service Genie, car maintenance, made easy.